Hello, I'm Robert with the Green Door Group. I wanted to take you on a sneak peek tour of my newest listing that just went live, 7013 Sunburst. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage on a corner lot and features some RV parking and endless opportunities. So let's take a look and stay tuned for the full video. If you're interested in making this your next oasis, give me a call, 806-690-1909. Be glad to take you on a private tour.